For real. Word on the street is we beat Black Friday sales by 30%, Drew. Fucking high five for that. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Here at Walmart, hopefully they don't tell us turn off the cameras. If they tell us put the camera away, you gotta boof it.
You gotta boof it.
Whatever it is, we need to celebrate. You want the glitter champagne?
They have the like kids fucking champagne.
I mean, those work.
Oh, it's a popper. Champagne popper.
Wow, that's
No, I swear.
What does this do?
That's
what does this do? Just smack it.
Oh, so you pop it, but nothing comes out. Nothing comes out.
That makes no sense.
It's just for like kids to like pop and celebrate.
Fuck it, get to those. Steven's already celebrating. Look at him.
Which one?
Steven's already raging. We're here celebrating the Black Friday sale. We're deciding if we should get these. What? Hey, papus.
Bitch, for sure.
Bitch, we're for sure gonna get kicked out now. Can we get a piñata?
Do we get a piñata?
Today's Taco Tuesday.
Bet you would get a. Today's Taco Tuesday.
It is Taco Tuesday.
Yeah, that's why we eat tacos at Rafa's.
Put a bunch of fucking razors in there.
We get a piñata? Can we get a piñata or no?
Just texture powder.
I mean, yeah, what are we gonna stuff it with?
I like the blades idea.
Blades.
Stuff it with blades. As Hispanics, we can't celebrate without a piñata. I feel like it's just not right.
And we would get a taco, right? Why is that the first thing like my mind goes to?
A taco? Because you're Hispanic?
Which one?
The other one looks better. Like it's cooked. That one has guac.
Carne sauce.
It's
True. Yeah, that one.
More beans in it.
So no Santa suits?
He has some.
I don't know, bro. The Santa suits are kind of tempting, low key.
Do we Santa heads?
That shit is cool.
It's like Santa. It's like Santa packing up the elves. I like it. He's like,
He's already imagining it.
who's Mrs. Claus?
Who's little slut?
What's long as hair?
Right here? You? Who's gonna put it on though?
How much is it?
$20. I know, that's everything we made, Drew, for Black Friday.
Black Friday, bro.
Alright, let's go, fuck it. I guess no Santa suits. I know, I'm a little
kind of
pissed.
wanted them.
I know. We're definitely gonna go get the champagne. We do got a piñata though. With guac. With guac.
Fucking random ass piñata.
We do. For real.
Hey, I'm gonna play that game.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the good stuff.
Cheer that or buzz balls?
Have the
That or Rose Balls.
barefoot. Oh, bitch, how much is that? 30.
Just 60.
We're gonna celebrate with style.
Yeah.
Celebrate with aesthetic.
Yeah. What are we celebrating with?
Aesthetic. And a taco.
I'm still
And a taco, yeah. You really want that buzz ball?
Pass it, we'll just pass it around.
Which one? The pumpkin for because
It's
we're
out of date. The pumpkin's out. So Halloween.
Oh, it's out of date.
It's
But the
expired.
bitch pumpkin? No, it's November.
Which one is this one?
What's
That makes more sense.
up with this was calendars, November?
Nobody's getting their orders today.
For real.
Nobody.
We're supposed to be packaging and...
It's not even November.
Alright, last call though. We're about to pass up the Santa suits again.
I don't think we should do it. It's like $20.
I know, they are $20 and if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's all our Black Friday set profit.
That's 120.
120.
Watch out.
Look, it's right here.
You think we should get him?
Did we buy these? No.
No, one says
It's not worth the money. She's saying yes.
All right.
So no?
Santa suits, no.
Alright, y'all have
Santa suits, no?
Santa suits, no.
Bye, man. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, is that my present?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
No drinking and driving. Sorry.
We need her on the squad though.
Yeah.
Fucking snitched around.
Call her back. She wants to chill.
She qualifies. Imagine she's there.
Please, just one.
What do we vote?
No.
No, we don't need to be spending this money. We've already got plenty.
Alright, cool. What do you say?
I think we pass.
You?
I think Sergio should wear it.
Pass or get it?
Yeah.
Pass or get it?
Can't afford it.
Honestly, yeah. As the CFO of the company, I say no.
Yeah, want us to go live more often?
Nobody gives a fuck. For real. Word on the street is we beat Black Friday sales by 30%, Drew. Fucking high five for that. Let's fucking go. Fucking go.
Okay.
No, not today, Drew.
Yeah, Drew don't want us to.
Everybody has to wait for their orders. Maybe next year.
This printer is offline.
Printer is offline. Then so are we. Let's go golfing.
Pass me the buzz. I think it's drunk from the champagne.
Oh yeah.
Where's the buzz ball?
You deserve a drink. Oh yeah, true. Oh shit.
What the fuck?
Oh.
It's all the sales we had today.
I feel like Bam walking out of the ring to fight.
Fucking.
Slow ass printer.
What?
Slow ass printer.
Instead of fucking wasting the money on all this champagne and poppers, we should have bought a faster printer, Drew.
Get Drew new printers.
Cause look at it.
He's rapping.
By the time.
What if everybody says that they want a refund?
This is the only time Sergio ever wraps up. This one's like here.
What do you mean? 34 with no kids.
Oh fuck. Got him.
Yeah, we know.
Always wrapped up. Slips in the piñata, and then whichever one comes out first.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, we'll put all the slips in the piñata, and we'll pick one once it breaks open.
That's an even better idea.
That's the same
That's
thing.
what I.
Sergio said.
That's exactly what I said.
But the way he said it, though.
Yeah, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And I think Ruben sold me.
Thank you, Steven.
I like the way
That's 1-1. We need a vote.
Ruben.
Tiebreaker.
So which idea are we gonna go with,
I
Ruben?
think we should put the orders in there, hit it, whichever one falls out first, that one gets picked.
Damn.
No, because
I'm sorry, Ruben.
no, but like
Yeah, so a special order, a special person is gonna get. What are we gonna do with the order? Either we're gonna throw like $100 in their order, and a Trojan.
What if it's a girl?
She could use a Trojan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to get
Hey.
pregnant.
Do white elephant.
Hey, y'all spam the black flag in the chat.
Black flag.
Black flag.
Jesus.
Flag.
Black flag.
Black
black bag.
Black bag. Black bag. Yeah. I'm watching all your videos, Harry Salmon. Appreciate you, bro.
No.
Ashley Elizondo, shout outs to you.
Don't you get it there?
Still here in the live. I'm a 12-year-old barber and I'm a beginner and I see y'all's video every day. Yaziel Bernard. Shout out to Yaziel Bernard. He watches our videos every day.
Join the school program.
That's right. That's fucking right.
Join the school.
All right, yeah, but we gotta start packaging orders. So if y'all see us in the background, we're gonna be vlogging.
Working like little elves.
Working,
Like little slaves.
getting these orders out to you. We put on the Santa suits to make sure we get y'all's orders out before Christmas.
We're blessing someone's order.
And we're gonna bless somebody's order. Because
We're vlogging this whole thing, so we're gonna start pumping out vlogs just to show y'all more of the behind the scenes of what we do here at the lab.
2, 3.
yeah, what the hell was that?
I felt like I was gonna hit somebody.
You ain't gonna hit. Oh,
Jesus, who hurt you?
whoa. Jeez.
Did I get one more or no?
Drop the stick. Drop the stick. Get your hands in the air.
Bro, I can't see shit. What the hell happened? Damn, I broke the fucking.
You broke the ceiling. Call Gene. Somebody call Gene.
Yeah, ready? Fuck it, swing it hard, go for it, go.
Whoa, Jax! Jax, easy. Whoa, Jax. Jax. To your left. There it is. And there it is. Oh, don't let it go. There. Jax, put the stick down. Put the stick down. Put the stick down, Jax. Put the...
All orders, get on.
All orders came out.
I'm gonna just go through it.
Hurry.
I'll just pull it through
Is that
there.
one mine?
All right, whose order? Let me see. 263. 63.
263.
63. Type it.
It's in my blood.
6340. Alex Martinez.
Oh, that's my homeboy.
For real?
No.
From Amarillo.
Amarillo.
You're getting your full order.
Morning.
Damn, and he ordered 700 t-shirts. Cut the chat. Drained.
Yeah, I'm drained.
And we only got through like half of the orders. As the day is coming to an end, wanted to come and talk to you on just wanted to share a message. We wanted to share a message just because as we're, packaging orders, reflecting on the day and honestly these past years with Faded Culture and how much we've like grown. Not to like sound cocky, right? But just an appreciation and gratitude of how far we've come. Of course, we still got aspirations and goals to go even further, but you always got to take a moment, step back, and give major gratitude for how far you have come. We started this brand in the back of
Our mom's house, our parents' house. Yeah.
Our parents' house.
I mean, for those that have been watching us for a while now on YouTube, y'all see our first videos that were out of the back of the garage. We did the best with what we had at the time.
Yeah, and exactly what you said. I think that's something that I want to go a little deeper on, or just explain more about.
I think that's
doing the best with what you.
Yeah, I think that's the message that I got from this. As we were packaging orders and kind of, you know, sometimes you're in the middle of everything, just going, and by the time you pick your head up, you see how far you come. And you know, we're always getting asked a bunch of questions for advice or what they think they need to do to achieve what we've achieved, right? For the most part, what I see people do wrong is setting limitations in their own head by thinking that they're not enough or that they don't have enough, whether it be equipment, money.
Yeah, it's like they look to the future. Like, I'll start when I have this, or I'll start when this happens.
Exactly.
Or even like right now, I'll start January 1st.
Exactly. Or like in a barber mindset, they probably feel like I won't start making content until I'm in an actual shop. But like I said, if you followed us from our first tutorials, we started out of the back of our parents' house. You know, we just kind of made it look as best as we could with what we had, and we ran with that, you know? So I think that's one thing that we really encourage people, for the most part, is to, you know, do it from where you at. Whatever you got, whatever you have, just start. I think that's the most important thing. If all you have is a phone to record yourself, then go ahead and use that. If all you have is a pair of hand-me-down clippers, you know, because that's what I started with, you know, just start with that. You know, get your reps and start practicing. And
Giving me ringworms and shit.
Yeah, and you know what I'm saying? It's the repetition, and it's just about showing up every day, laying the brick as perfect as possible. As cliche as that sound, it's true. So you don't have to see the end of the tunnel, just as long as you see your next step. By the time you look up, you'll be surprised at how much you can actually achieve.
That was good. Did you write that down?
Nah, ask ChatGPT.
Oh. No, but yeah, seriously, man. Start where you're at with what you got. There's no excuses. That's a wrap for today. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired.
We're only halfway, and we gotta honestly, we gotta sneak away before Drew finds us and says, "Oh, come here, I need your help."
And shout outs to Drew. And that's another tip. When you're doing anything, if you're gonna involve people, make sure it's the right people. I know sometimes it's hard to tell who's really in it for the right reasons, but having a strong team is essential in building anything. You can't get there alone. You need a solid team. Throughout your journey, you'll be able to kind of filter out those that are in it for the right reasons.
For sure.
So shout outs to Drew.
Shout outs to Drew. Shout outs to the whole team.
The whole team, the
For
twins.
sure.
I know y'all see them in our videos. Richard, Ruben, Steven.
Everybody that's around us, they're around us for a reason. And like he was saying, like, you got to find the right people. And there has people reached out and they'll ask, okay, how do you find the right people? How do you make sure they are the good people? Well, first and foremost, you got to look at yourself in the mirror. And are you building yourself? Because you attract what you are. So make sure that you're always focusing on growing yourself, and more than likely you'll attract those right people.
Yeah, that's one of the main things that we talk about in our mentorship, in our online mentorship. Specifically, we highlight personal development as being the core foundation of any success. It's the main thing that we feel helped us achieve our successes in life. So it's what we preach, it's what we teach in our online mentorship, and it's what we'll continue to teach. And it's not only us teaching it, it's something that we still everyday practice, you know, whether it be reading books, listening to podcasts, anything, you know, every day you're trying to learn and keep your brain from staying stagnant and not remaining with whatever knowledge it currently has. You know, you want to always reach for new knowledge, gain new wisdom, and that's going to, in turn, attract the right people and the right team around you.
Yeah.
Hopefully that touches somebody. I know somebody out there is in a position where they needed to hear that.
Yeah, for sure.
Because, shit, I wish I would have heard that a long time ago.
Yeah, that's dope. But, yeah, so that wraps it up for this Black Friday sale. Again, shout-outs to all of y'all. We wouldn't be here. Faded Culture would not be here if it wasn't for all of you, all the love and support throughout the years. We celebrated pretty hard today because we beat the last couple years Black Friday sales. So, again, shout outs to y'all. Thank you so much.
Thank y'all so much. You know, again, every order that y'all do helps support everything that we're doing, whether it be the academy, us encouraging us to create more videos, tutorials for y'all so that we can help y'all learn this game and kind of just, you know, learn this craft. And yeah, thank y'all so much and happy holidays.
fadedculture.com.
Just pop fucking
Champagne from the ceiling.
all of this. Is this? Oh, I didn't record.
You're lying.
Well, at least we got it on this one.
Oh my.
That's the stupidest shit ever.